place, guys! Ah! This car is not made for this. Have I told you about the Costco hot dog? Oh my god, it's so fucking... Guys, I'm scared. Guys, what do? I'm scared. You guys know my little intro? I don't know if anybody noticed, but like it's old. It's like 2 or 3 years old. I need to update it. So that's kind of what I really want to do today. But also my car is really dirty, so I want to clean it as well. But it's also gonna rain, so there's just too many things against me right now, guys. Look, it's already started. It's already started. They're shooting from above. What do you guys think of the Kia Stinger? Do you think it's cool? I don't really like it very much. Let me know what you guys think of the Kia Stinger in the comments, please. I don't know too much about it. I know that they have Brembo brakes and they're kind of fast, but they just kind of look like they look like every other car. Guys, I'm going to my secret spot. I'm going to the secret spot where I film my intro. It's at the school that I used to go to. And if you guys can guess what school that is, I will send you a like. I will like the comment, and I'll also give you a heart comment. I'll give you both. I'll double up on likes and hearts. So, you know, it's kind of a big deal for you. Also, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Plunk XP. This dude is sick, guys. He's like my biggest fan, and he's also one of the bros. So go give his channel some love. Go subscribe to him because he also has a Subaru that he's trying to fix, and you know, the Soupy boys got to stick together. So go show his channel some love. There's a pink Camaro here. Wow. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will wrap my Subaru bright pink. Don't like the video, guys, please. Don't like it. Please don't like it, guys. Guys, please don't like it. This is my secret little hiding place back here. Ah, damn, there's a car here. There's cars here. That's where dude, look, this is where I take the pictures. But there's cars here. That's a bummer. I'll just have to go. I did scope out a new spot the other day by closer to where I live, so I'm gonna go there. And actually, it is kind of okay because I have to drive by a car wash to get there anyway, so I can get my car looking kind of nice, so I can have a better intro thing. Dude, that actually, one time I was doing that and I was like kind of racing a guy, and we're like, you know, up until like the speed limit. We accelerate really fast up to the speed limit, and then we stopped, and then we both got pulled over and slapped with drag racing tickets. I had to like get all spiffy and go to court, get a lawyer. I was like 19 years old. I was in the, like, up on the thing being like, yes judge, no judge, yes your honor. I said at the end, I forgot, I said thank you sir. You're not supposed to do that. I didn't know, because he said like, oh, adjourned or whatever, and then I was like, oh yes, thank you sir. The car wash is closed. The car wash is closed, guys, shit. There's another pink car. What the fuck is up with these cars being like bright pink? Dude, this sucks. Also, why is this city completely falling apart? It's so ghetto back here, dude. Well, I gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. I gotta get the fuck out of here. It's scary. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, what do? I'm scared. Guys, look at that Jeep, it's scary. Did you see it? He had venom on him. He's got white discs in there. What is that supposed to do? Is that covering up his brakes? Why is he covering his brakes up? It's also low-key kind of like stormy, scary outside. That's what like I hate about living in Michigan. And that's why we really want to move. Because it's just so depressing all the time. And like earlier today I was just driving around and it was nice and sunny and everything was great. And then like out of nowhere, we're just like, we've got rain and clouds and darkness. And then this guy we've got going like 4 miles an hour onto the highway. Ah! and he's got no license plate. Dude, literally, like, I moved away from my little city, which will still remain undisclosed unless you can guess it. And as soon as I come back, like a year later, it's like just gone to shit. It's completely ghettoified. Ah! Hydroplane, guys! Ah! This car is not made for this. I feel like since my wing is so big, I'm probably gonna like fly away. It's so windy. Honestly, since my situation in the rain is not looking on the bright side, things are not looking up for us. Let me see what the weather is gonna look like. Oh, it's gonna stop soon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get myself a little dinner, and then we'll go get the pictures, because I'm hungry now. Dude, is it just me, or are those school buses that have like the cutoff front like really intimidating? Like, they're kind of scary looking. I don't know, something to think about. Why is everything scaring me today? I need to start looking on the bright side. I only come here for one thing. I will show you in 1 minute. Dude, it's always so nice. Look what we, yeah. We're gonna I have to drink. Have I told you about the Costco hot dog? Oh my god, it's so fucking good. Nice backpack, bro. Got a little unicorn. Oh, that's a little girl. How cute. Man, dude, it's so crazy when you have a daughter, how much nicer you get. You become just like a nice guy. Like, you don't get mad at people anymore. Everything is so much more relaxed. It's really interesting. You have like an appreciation for things that are like really sweet and nice. Something's changed about me, guys. I've softened. I'm soft. Unauthorized vehicles will be towed. Okay, yeah, it doesn't say anything about no trespassing, so I think that we're good. Just like this, dude. Yes. Yes. Yes, lad. Yes. Yeah, well, I have to take them with this camera, so 1 second. Dude, I really tried, but this thing, it like keeps the wind, like kept blowing it over. So we got it, but I just don't know. I just don't know how good it's gonna be. I also might look goofy. I didn't even like think about like what outfit I'm wearing. I like looked back at it and it just kind of, I don't look terrible, but I don't look great. Let's get some shots though, dude. While we're here, like, we have to get, like, Instagram needs to know what we're doing today, guys. There's nothing that I recommend more than driving a car such as this. Just like this, actually. But don't turn your AC off. Don't take away your AC, because it's not even like 70 degrees today and I'm burning up. Also, this is worth it. I think that harnesses are 100% worth it. If you're daily driving and you got to put the junk strap on every time you get gas or something, bro, you're living life to the fullest. Also, I'm sorry, my microphone is probably trash because I've got, I didn't use my media mod, so now I have no mic. No mic, I'm sorry.